Hello once again dudes, my name is Emil and welcome to another XHTML tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna be going over something that's actually very embarrassing cause I didn't reach to tell you when we were working with the document parts. But then I have to do it now. Use the ints for underline. If you take text like this piece of text, right. Now remember, these are normal text, so you just need to put the text in between. So if you look, it's basically just underlines the text. I'm very sorry, dude, that I didn't tell you this. I just forgot it. But this is a very important tag actually. So I'll try never ever to do that again. Now, that's said. I think we should get moving on to the next things, and that is I want to show you how to use a tag called select. Basically, what select is. Sorry, I got something in my throat. Select makes like if you use it correct, of course. And we're also gonna learn about something called option. But basically, what you can do, make a tag called select, and give it an attribute of name, cause we'll just need to give it a name. I'm gonna call this color. Sorry. And we're gonna type in multiple, and this is just an attribute that kind of tells XHTML. Well, we're going to make a menu where you can select things, and there are going to be more options than one. So you give it a tag called option, and this kind of makes sense, and value. So I could give it the value of I don't know, what's the value? Color green maybe, I don't know. And you can also, if you have a document called HTML, and if you click on green, it will go to green HTML. So I can actually make a call second HTML. Let's call it that, and then type in second page. So this is the text that will come up. Also, and I forgot to add this because I'm an idiot. Then we can add an option called value, and then index.html, index page, and you can add as many of them as you want. But remember, you just need to use the select, and then if you're using more than one, add the multiple attribute. So let's go ahead and create a web page called second.html. Actually, second.html already exists, so that's fine. So I'm gonna make a little header really quick just to show you. Basically, I'm gonna type in second index. Alright, so if we go ahead and run this, we'll see what we finally got. As you can see, we got a very buggy page, like saying we have some options here. Now, depending on how many we add, and remember, we haven't added any functionality to this at all, so you can choose anyone, but we'll need to give it a value, so I just made one. But of course it doesn't work, so we can just delete this, cause then we'll need to use another language called JavaScript when I don't feel like it. But let's actually go ahead and remove the value tags, cause it doesn't matter that much. I just want to show you that you can add it. So if you add functionality to it, you can get to another web page. I'm gonna be like profile page. Let's say that you add a social network. Yeah, that's a pretty good idea. Messages, like maybe a start site. It's not very important. I just want to have more than so we can show. Right, there it comes. Then you can scroll down and see. And again, using the language called CSS, which stands for Cache Kicking Style Sheet, you can change all of this. Look. So that's basically it to this tutorial. I hope you learned something, guys. And if you want to add functionality, you can go ahead and use CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and PHP. But that's enough of this series. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.